Where do you want me? I mean, like over here.
What? I mean, that light's really assaulting.
Is it?
Yeah.
Turn the exposure down.
I don't know how to do that. Are you wearing shorts?
What else do you want me to wear?
Am I supposed to be in this thing?
No, you're not in it. Why would you be in it? Alright, just sit down. Don't block the computer.
Well,
yeah, that's fine.
it's weird though.
No, it's fine. Ah! We really need a tripod.
Yeah, I know.
2017, we're gonna get a tripod. Hey guys, this is a little intro bit for our 2016 retrospective video, where we kind of showcase all the best moments and highlights from this year from all our videos. But here's the thing, we didn't have that many videos this year.
No.
And it wasn't really enough for an entire video so much. So I had to be a little creative in the editing process. I had to get a little outside help. So I had to add in some stuff, but you can barely notice it.
You still finish.
What?
You still finish.
I didn't. I don't know if it's stealing. I'm gonna re-edit it later with our stuff.
Like
but,
next year, at the end of the year.
Yeah. So I just want you guys to enjoy all the memories that we made over 2016, and I want to thank you for really sticking with us. I know we've had some hard times, so enjoy all the memories. And here's to 2017.
It's empty. Oh, it's flat. Oh, it's really bad. You need me a drink.
Let's roll a video.
Is there alcohol in that?
Let's roll a video.
There's alcohol in that?
Let's roll a video. Oh god. So, welcome to Cat Bomb. It's a brand new, hot new channel on YouTube.com. Welcome to the first ever Cat Bomb road trip. 2016, summer 2016.
Oh, brand new announcement. This is Justin. Part of Cat Bomb now.